In today's video, I'm gonna show you the difference between a fresh noble fir Christmas tree and Balsam Hill's noble fir Christmas tree. Keep watching. Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. I am so excited you're here today because on today's video, I'm gonna show you the difference between a fresh noble fir Christmas tree and an artificial noble fir from Balsam Hill. A few weeks ago, Balsam Hill contacted me and asked me to do this review for you guys. They sent their Christmas tree. This is their noble fir Christmas tree from their collection. And I'm gonna link all of their information down below in case you are interested. But then they also provided this fresh noble fir Christmas tree and they asked me to give you my honest review. This is not a paid advertising. They did, however, provided me with the tree and all of the trimmings for this Christmas tree, but the opinion is 100% mine. And I'm gonna tell you guys everything that I think about their collection versus the fresh Christmas tree. So if you are interested to know what I think about the fresh noble fir versus the artificial noble fir, please stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you already subscribed, don't forget to turn the notification bell on because this is going to be a really fun video. Not only I'm gonna show you the difference between them both, but I'm also going to show you how I trim this gorgeous noble fir Christmas tree. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. Okay, so we are at a fresh Christmas tree lot and we're going to pick a noble fir to compare them side by side with the Balsam Hill noble fir. So let me find the right one and stay tuned. Before I set up the Christmas tree, I wanted to show you guys the presentation. I just went ahead and opened it up. And I want you to see how well they ship all of your Christmas trees. It comes with this booklet to tell you all about your Christmas tree right here on this piece of cardboard, and then it has a bag to protect your Christmas tree, which I was really surprised at. The quality of the packaging is just impeccable, and I cannot wait to set it all up. So I'm gonna set it up and I'm gonna show you the difference between a fresh noble fir tree and a Balsam Hill noble fir artificial tree. Stay tuned. First things first, I'm gonna show you how to set up the 8-foot noble fir Balsam Hill Christmas tree and show you some tricks on how you can set up your Christmas tree real easy. So I'm gonna get going, and as I showed you guys before, I absolutely love the packaging. It comes with this little booklet, instructions on how to set up and fluff and care for your Christmas tree, and this comes included with your packaging. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this inside the box because you wanna make sure that you know where that is. It also comes with this bag for your storage for your Christmas tree, which I think it's perfect. It comes with handles. Once we put our Christmas tree down, then you can go ahead and just store your Balsam Hill Christmas tree on the attic, which is what I'm going to do. And then it comes with your Christmas tree, of course. So I'm gonna get going with this. I'm gonna show you how to fluff and I'll be right back with you. Stay tuned. Before I set up this gorgeous Christmas tree up, I wanna show you guys, it comes with this tool little bag with the Balsam Hill emblem right here on the front. Now this bag contains, and I think it's a great idea, it has your Christmas stand, which you can put to the side. But what I really love is this bag inside has these compartments, and it comes with your own set of gloves so you don't ruin your hands. Actually has 2 sets of gloves, one for you and one for your helper in case you want to go ahead and do that. It comes with some little tools, all of the things that you need for the setup of your Christmas tree. These are the things that go on your hook, the little screws that go on your hook. It comes with a little box of extra bulbs with a little Balsam Hill emblem in here. Let me see. And I just think this is absolutely perfect. It also comes with a tool to remove your light bulbs from your Christmas tree. So I think this is a perfect way to store it once the Christmas season is over. You put your Christmas tree down, then you can just store all of this in here, put it on the big Christmas tree, and that way next year you know where everything is to set up your Christmas tree. But for this year, I'm gonna get going, I'm gonna set it up and show you what it looks like all set up. Stay tuned. Okay, so I have to mention real quick before I set up this Christmas tree is the way that these little screws went into the eye. It was absolutely super easy, and that is one of my biggest pet peeves when I'm setting up a Christmas tree, how difficult it can be. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna set up this Christmas tree, light it up, and I'll show you real quick, so keep watching. Okay, so I want to point out that your Christmas tree does come with a stumper. So what you need to do is plug it into your wall and test it out first. So our stumper works. I'm gonna go ahead and put it down. That is very convenient because that way you don't have to go out and buy one. And what I really love about this tree is because you can just go ahead and plug it in. We are done fluffing our Christmas tree and setting it up, and my very first impression of this gorgeous noble fir Balsam Hill Christmas tree is just wow. I cannot tell you the quality on the lights. They're LED lights and they are absolutely stunning, you guys. I wish you could really see this in person. The tips of the noble fir are just so beautiful and realistic looking. I cannot tell you how obsessed I am with it. And what I like about it is because the ones further back in the back are your normal bristles that we need to tie our ribbons and other things that we're gonna attach to the Christmas tree. But the front tips of this noble fir Christmas tree is so realistic. It's like anything that I've seen somewhere in the mountains in Colorado. The quality of it, of course, it's the best because Balsam Hill does not do anything other than really good quality. And they are made out of this kind of like a rubber, and it's molded. So it's just absolutely stunning. I cannot tell you guys, it did take a little bit of time to fluff, but once you're done with the fluffing, which I tell you the prep work is what takes the longest, then you can really enjoy how gorgeous this Christmas tree really is. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to decorate it with all of the items that they provided, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like all decorated. I'll give you some tips and tricks on how to decorate a gorgeous noble fir Christmas tree from Balsam Hill. Stay tuned. All right, so now that I have both trees all set up, I'm gonna talk to you about the pros and the cons between a fresh and an artificial Christmas tree from Balsam Hill. Number one is the lights. When you buy a Balsam Hill Christmas tree, it already comes pre-lit, which is a big advantage. Not it's only pre-lit, but the lights are evenly distributed throughout the Christmas tree, to where if you buy a fresh Christmas tree, you have to light it yourself, and when you light yourself, well, they're not very even, so I'm not even gonna mess with that. So I'm gonna give the Balsam Hill 1 point for the lights because they really are gorgeous. Number two is the shape, and as I'm sure you're seeing right now, the shape on the fresh Christmas tree, it is out of whack. It's just shaped wrong, like some boughs are missing, and I really took my time to pick the prettiest one they had on the lot. So this is what the Christmas tree from Balsam Hill looks like, and as you guys can see, it really retains its Christmas tree shape, and I also love how easy it was to fluff to give it that shape. So I'm gonna have to give that point to the Balsam Hill Christmas tree as well. Number three is going to be the stand. As you guys saw in the video, the stand comes included with your Balsam Hill Noble Fir Christmas tree, and it was super easy to assemble, to where the fresh, it was a little hard to assemble. You have to find the proper stand because it does not come with your Christmas tree. Also, you have to water your Christmas tree, and it is kind of to the side because you have like 4 or 5 screws to hold that Christmas tree, and the weight of it really gets to lean to one side or the other one. Because there's not enough water weight on the bottom to really keep it together. It is top heavy, so it's leaning to the right on this particular tree, and it really took me a while to get it standing anyway, so I'm gonna have to give that point to your artificial Balsam Hill Christmas tree. Now the last thing I'm gonna talk about is the height. What I liked about the Balsam Hill Christmas tree is that it really comes in sections, so you actually get to play with the height of your Christmas tree. This is an 8-foot Christmas tree, and this is a 7.5 Christmas tree. And I just love the fact that you can actually take a section out, because as you guys saw in the video, it's one of those Christmas trees that you just stick them together and they light up. So you could take one of the sections out to make a shorter Christmas tree if you wanted to, or you can have the 5 sections to have a taller Christmas tree, to where if you go buy a fresh Christmas tree, then you have to have them cut it. And once you cut it, if you get it to your home, you're gonna have to do the cutting yourself. So I'm gonna have to give that point to the Balsam Hill artificial Christmas tree. Now, the one thing I do like about the fresh Christmas tree is the smell. It does give you that smell, but I came with a solution for that. For the Balsam Hill Noble Fir, you can buy a candle. You can always buy a Noble Fir Christmas tree candle, and you're gonna get the scent, the beautiful look. So now I'm gonna get to decorating this gorgeous Christmas tree with all of the trimmings that they provided, and I'm gonna give you a really quick look of what it looks like all decorated. Now, the bonus point going to the Balsam Hill Christmas tree is the branches are really sturdy and the ornaments are really gonna hang from it. They have a lot of weight to it. The wire that they use is really heavy duty wire, so you really can hang ornaments from every single branch. I'm gonna get to decorating this Christmas tree and I'm gonna show you guys the end result. I think you're gonna like it. Keep watching. Okay, so before I get to decorating the Christmas tree, there's a few more things that I want you guys to know. The look of this gorgeous Christmas tree, it is replicated straight from the fresh noble fir, and to the touch, it feels the same. These are made out of some rubber material that is molded straight out of the real Christmas tree, and the feel to it is just absolutely the same. But the difference is that this is going to last you for years to come. And this guy, what I actually don't like, and I'm gonna be 100% honest because I promise Balsam Hill to be honest, the one thing that I do not like about fresh Christmas trees, and the reason why I love a full Christmas tree is because if you don't water your Christmas tree properly and you put lights on it, it's actually a fire hazard. You have to really keep this moist, and the lights, don't load it with lights because you could actually cause a fire. To where these guys right here are made out of LED lights. They are cool to the touch, they don't get warm. And the feel, like I said, the touch, the feel of the tree is just so realistic. So if you are looking for a gorgeous Christmas tree, I really do recommend the Balsam Hill Christmas tree. And this is a noble fir. It is my favorite. All right, now I'm gonna decorate it and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, so stay tuned. All right, so before I get to decorating the Christmas tree, I just want to show you a few of the things that Balsam Hill sent with the Christmas tree. And the reason why I want to show you guys is because the presentation is everything to me, and the way they send the ornaments is just absolutely gorgeous. It comes in this beautiful box. It says the Biltmore collection from Balsam Hill, and look how gorgeously protected your ornaments are. First of all, it comes with like a menu of all of the ornaments that come on this set, and they're just so pretty. I will show you some as I speak about them. It comes with this really protective pad, and the way they wrap their ornaments individually in paper tissue, and then the way they are separate individually, it is just the quality that everybody deserves this holiday season. So I'm gonna get to hanging all of these ornaments. The other thing that I wanna talk to you guys about is the ribbon. It is absolutely gorgeous. It says Merry Christmas and it's embroidered, but I will show you all of the close-ups once I'm done decorating this Christmas tree. Stay tuned and cue the time lapse. All right, you guys, well, this is the end result, and I am obsessed, first of all, with the quality of the product the Balsam Hill provides for you guys. The ornaments are absolutely gorgeous, the way they're packaged and the way they look all put together. As you guys can see, it is absolutely exquisite, and they are prepackaged for you in different sets. They are already coordinated. So all you have to do is pick a set and they'll send you different shapes, like these beautiful glass finials and all of these different shaped ornaments. My favorite one has to be this one right here with the clear and the diamonds. Now, what also I'm obsessed with is these picks, because they are so dangly and dainty, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. All of the glitter provides a lot of the extension of the tree, and they also come prepackaged for you. They also send these tiny little red ornaments that are just like a little speckle of really bright color in your Christmas tree. As I told you before, quality ribbon really does matter, and I picked this beautiful red with the gold Christmas, Happy Christmas embroider, and I just love the way this looks. I cannot wait to read your comments, so leave me a comment down below and let me know what do you think about this particular look. I cannot wait for you guys to really just take it all in. I am literally in awe of this. I want to take a second to thank Balsam Hill for considering me to do this tree review. I absolutely love it. Love the tree, love the lights in the tree, and absolutely in love with all of the ornaments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna leave all of their description down below of all of the products that I use. If you guys want to pick and choose from them, you can go straight to their website and you can just order, and let me tell you, you're going to be happy and you will not regret if you do it. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if you're new to this channel, and until next time, goodbye.